Hi children, this is Anusha, your science teacher. Here are you to teach class 7 science. So this is our textbook and we have total 17 lessons in this, and we are going to deal with first lesson today. What is our first lesson? Our first lesson is all about food components, isn't it? Food is very important in our daily life, isn't it? Without food we can't live. And in class 6 also you have learned about our food. What are the types of, how we'll cook the food, and what are the ingredients mean, and what do you like it, whether if you eat only liked food it's enough or not. We have learned about all those things, isn't it? Yes, in this lesson more knowledge you are going to get. So let's go into our lesson and see what are there in our lesson first. In our lesson first, we are going to learn about components, that is food components, test for the proteins, carbohydrates and fats, and roughages or dietary fibers, and sources from where you are going to get these roughages, and water, and balanced diet. Nowadays all are speaking about this balanced diet, and all are very particular and about these vitamins, minerals and carbohydrates, and what all these mean. We have to know about them, because all these together will make our body healthy, and in our healthy in a healthy body we will have a healthy mind. So actually the components are nothing but the nutrients. The main components are nutrients. In components, nutrients, you are supposed to learn about C, P, V, F, M. What is that C, P, V, F, 1? Let us see. First one is carbohydrates. Why we need carbohydrates? In compounds, the main thing is nutrients. In nutrients, first one is carbohydrates. Why we need carbohydrates to our body, and how we have to take the carbohydrates, who need carbohydrates, how to test them, we are going to learn. And let's give me a example. Carbohydrates, what they'll do, why we need, they give energy, they are energy giving to us. Without taking carbohydrates we have no energy, as you have to work, as you have to do the homework, as you have to play, as you have to do all the things, isn't it? So to do all these things we need energy. So what will give energy to us? Carbohydrates will give you energy to us. And in this carbohydrates, what will give carbohydrates to us? Rice and breakfast. Whatever we take breakfast, it will give carbohydrates. And some will skip the breakfast. Instead of having breakfast, healthy breakfast, they'll have some something like a liquid, like milk. Yes, milk is very good to health, I'm not saying no, but as you are growing children, you're supposed to eat all the types of breakfast which will give carbohydrates, and the carbohydrates are going to give energy to you. So you are going to eat this carbohydrates, isn't it? With the breakfast and rice, you are definitely going to get this carbohydrates. Next, proteins. What does proteins do? Carbohydrates, energy giving, it's enough, no? No, these proteins will give you bodybuilding. You need to build your body. You are not, when you are infant you are very small. But when you grow up, you are growing up now, isn't it? You are not like when you are in 4th and 5th class you might be short and all, isn't it? Now you have grown up. Which component in the food makes us bodybuilding? Means it's proteins. In proteins, what you will have proteins? In pulses, grains, you are going to have protein. So next, proteins in what So next, second one is proteins. In what you are going to have these proteins? Proteins are body buildings. For the body buildings, you need these proteins. So proteins will give you a good body building with your bones and all, isn't it? So the pulses in which you have these proteins, in pulses and grains you will have these proteins. And next comes with vitamins, where you will, why these vitamins are needed to you. Carbohydrates give energy, proteins give body building, these vitamins will protective food. What types of vitamins we have? We have vitamin A, B, C, D, isn't it? Vitamin A is useful in eyesight. Vitamin B, that's all the B12 in your help in your digestive system, for your protect your digestive system, your heart, everything. And vitamin C, you know, and nowadays even the doctors and all are asking us to take more and more vitamin C. What vitamin C do to us? Vitamin C will what blood function, what it will do? Blood purification. It does what? Blood purification. Where you will find this vitamin C? All the citrus fruits which are so to taste, like your lemon, orange and all. Okay, and next one is vitamin D. Vitamin D, what it will do? It will build the bone building. For the bone building you need. So where you are going to get this? You are going to get from easy way, no cost. You are going to get from sunlight. Okay. So the and next is fats. Why these fats are needed? And some doctors say not to take fats, and some doctors suggest you need to take fats. Fats are also equally important in our food component. They are very play vital role in our food component and in our daily diet also. Fats, what they'll do? They give instant energy to us. Fats, what they give? They give instant energy to us, immediate energy. See, if you are feeling very dull that day and your food what you have taken is not enough, immediately if you take a fatty food like a which contains fat more, it will give. From where you will get? Sweet or milk, isn't it? When you fall down also, what they do, they immediately give you chocolate, which gives you even the sweet, which gives you immediate energy. So when you feel that you are very dull and you have you can't do anything more, you can take this fats. And next, fiber. What this fiber will help? This will help in constipation. Well and good, this is all we need. But if we take all these things, it should get digested in our body, isn't it? Without getting digested, we can eat morning. If it does not get digested, we can eat afternoon's one? Of course no. Obviously no, isn't it? So you are supposed to have this fiber. Where you are going to get these fibers? From bridgegat, drumsticks, and all these what you say, you will get fiber like things, isn't it? From lady's finger and all fiber like thing you are going to get, which will give you fiber to your body and which will help in constipation. What do you mean by constipation? Not to get digested and not to bowel movement will be not proper. And next, minerals. Next comes minerals. Why these minerals need? Functioning of our body, our minerals need. So these all are the important food components, and about these we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay, and see, when you sleep also, you tell me, when you sleep you need all these things, you need energy. Yes, definitely, because when you sleep also, your digestive system, your heart, everything will be functioning, isn't it? Without the energy, how can they do? So we all need energy when you are sleeping also, while you are sleeping also. And here is a triangle for you, which shows you in which you have carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, vitamins and minerals, proteins and fats. In carbohydrates, where you will find they play a major role in our diet. So bread, rice, potato, apples, pumpkin, sweet potatoes, all will have more carbohydrates. We have already discussed carbohydrates are energy giving. So they give energy to us. So you need to take these carbohydrates for sure in your diet. You need to include in your diet surely. And next one is vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. Where you will find these vitamins and minerals? In vitamins and minerals are found in carrots, sweet potatoes, vitamins, nuts. You have all your nuts, isn't it? Like groundnuts and all. They are also very, very important. They give good vitamins to you. And seeds, iron, meat, poultry and fish. Poultry is nothing but your chicken and all, isn't it? So they all are also equally important. With this, you need to include this also. And this proteins, red fish, and in this poultry also you will have these proteins. Beverages all contain proteins more. So everything we can take, even the fat oils also you can take. Everything we can take, but what you need to take an adequate, where you need to take more. And water plays very, very important role. Without having all these things and not having water is useless. Water is very, very important in our body. To our body functioning, they are very, very important. So you all will have different dishes what you like more, isn't it? But daily eating, see, if you like only the lemon rice, if you get daily lemon rice, is that enough to you? Those you get all these proteins, minerals, everything what you needed to your body. They'll give all that energy giving. They are like that. Is that enough? No. It's not at all enough. You need to daily, if okay, 1 or 2 it may be what favorite to you, and you like to eat daily. But daily eating pani puri, is that enough? Is that good? Daily eating burger, is that good? Daily eating pizza, is that good? No, they don't include. Okay, once or twice in a month it's okay, but eating daily will definitely affect your health. And see, this is our lesson. I'll read out this lesson once. In previous class, we have learnt that we eat many kinds of food like biryani, pulihora, idli, chapati, dals, etc. And you also learnt how to cook some of them, isn't it? Some payasam we have learned. You have learned about pachi pulusu, and you have made tomato curry in your thing and all, isn't it? But see, you also learned how to cook some food items, tasty and palatable by adding oil, sugandha dravyalu. Do you remember sugandha dravyalu? Sugandha dravyalu are those which will add what to your food? What to your food, sugandha dravyalu? They will add what? Sugandha dravyalu. What Sugandha Dravyalu will do? Sugandha Dravyalu will add very, very taste to our Dravyalu, isn't it? Yeah, Sugandha Dravyalu. They add smell to our food. Like dalchini, ilachi, bay leaf. These all will have taste to your. You have learnt about it, isn't it? And next, here is a picture showing this boy is imagining all these things like fruits, burgers, salads, and what is this? Like puri and all, mutton, ice cream. This is what vegetables and your cookies. He is imagining all these things. Here is a picture showing it. And next, everyone has their own favorite food. You need to write yes or no in this answer. Yes, isn't it? What is your favorite food or dish? Why do you like it? Whatever it may be. Like your biryani or chicken or mutton or your aloo fry or something. Why you like it also, you are supposed to write it. And next, in only favorite food sufficient for you. Why? As we have already discussed, only. So if you are, suppose, if you are going to eat daily, I like only aloo fry, I eat daily aloo fry. In aloo, you have only carbohydrates. And rice, with rice you will take, not only aloo curry you are going to take. Rice, both are carbohydrates. Is that enough to your body? No, it's not enough like that. And next question is, think why do you eat it? Think why do you eat it? Why? Next, let us do one. We eat different types of food items. Make a group of if you are 6 to 5 students, you can make a group and you can do all these things. And he also asks here one question: do we need energy when you sleep? Yes, we need energy when you sleep also to functioning of body, isn't it? We don't move, but inner all the functions will take place, isn't it? Like our heartbeat, our kidneys will function, everything will function, isn't it? To that you need energy. Suppose you do not get, here are some questions given to you. Suppose you don't get food for lunch, how do you feel? You feel very dull and you feel that you have lost all your energy and you can't do any work more. Isn't you feel hungry? If you don't get anything for more than a day, how you will feel? More than a day? Okay, you can live, but not active as if you take food, you will be more active. If you don't take food, okay. And next, if you don't get for many days, what happens? If you don't get food for many days, you can't live, and you need glucose, carbohydrates, the sweet starch and all to your body to work properly. So this is your introduction part. Thank you.